One of the exciting systems we introduced within the last couple of years is our auto-adjustable compaction system. We call it AAC for short. This is a industry first system that has intelligent compaction systems on each drum. So each drum is equipped with an ECM and an accelerometer. The accelerometer, when the vibration is created, is actually measuring the feedback. With the measurement of the feedback, it makes adjustments in the amplitude. This is something that takes the setup of the machine away from the operator and automates the whole process. This will drive superior compaction and the quickest compaction. One of the things that we're really excited about is our industry-leading reaction time. So some of the others that have systems like this, only have it on one drum, but also the reaction time is significantly more. Ours reacts from minimum amplitude to full amplitude in as little as 4 seconds. So a quick video here. One of the things I'm going to point out right away is just a couple of things in our compaction control suite. Integrated temperature to Pastel mapping. This is an option conveniently located on the operator's left hand. So a quick animation showing the compaction process, rolling patterns. Starts with temperature. This is an option on our machine, so an infrared temp sensor in the front and rear of the machine. Now when we look at the auto-adjusting system, here's where you have the continuous processing of information, making calculations, all automatic on the machine. The machine's automatically making calculations and it makes adjustments in the weights that actually change the amplitude. The amplitude is effectively the compaction energy that goes into the ground. Here you can see a couple of different values, so they're independently controlled. Because this system has more amplitude than conventional systems, you can see that the compaction potential in initial passes is much greater. So you have faster results in the front side. Through the automatic adjustment, it eliminates the over-compaction, which preserves the quality of the compaction. So the durability of the asphalt layer is maintained. When we look at this through a compaction curve, you can see the same information. Conventional systems with flat line settings will actually go through a process of over-compacting, which affects the durability, where this system automatically regulates through that process and preserves the asphalt layer. Now a quick look at Pastel mapping. You know, one might think this is really a simple operation. This roller is making a rolling pattern. You can see here, because we created this animation, it's really evident that these kind of things can happen, but on a job site, oftentimes performed at night, how does an operator know when he makes the right number of passes? This kind of event is very typical on normal asphalt compaction. A lot of agencies are recognizing this, and they're moving towards what the industry calls intelligent compaction specifications. And that's where temperature and Pastel mapping is required on many of the highway jobs these days. So a simple animation like this, it shows how easy missing a spot is. Lastly, one of the new introductions for us is that the machine-to-machine communication. Machine-to-machine communication is very important, especially in the initial phases of the compaction, where oftentimes we have asphalt compactors that are performing the breakdown process in echelon. One compactor and the second compactor are working as one. When they're mapping, they must be sharing data to have the same compaction results.
It's a very simple system to run, very simple to set up. The nighttime operation would definitely be beneficial in my opinion. Obviously it's dark, sometimes you kind of lose where you've been. You can't really see your watermark during the night, so that way you kind of know you are getting your full coverage and you haven't missed a foot section somewhere. My experience with it has been very helpful, so I do definitely believe it helps the efficiency and productivity. I've been very pleased with it.